What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Next Spoon YT channel. Does that look familiar? I bet you have a couple of those hanging around at home. I have one right by my door, so I don't forget. Look, I have another one hanging there by this cabinet. Look, I even have one up there in a Ziploc bag. There's another one. I have another mask hanging by my windowsill. So my house is a mess with all these masks hanging around here and there, and we'll never remember where they are hanging. So let's fix this. Stay tuned. So in this video, we're going to organize all our hanging masks so they're not dangling from every little nook and cranny in the house into one space where we can get to it quickly and not forget about them. So I've bought in some reinforcements. So here are my reinforcements. I bought a bunch of command tape by 3M and hooks. So I'm going to use these to organize my mask and make my house look neat and clean. Let's do this. So I went with command tape because they can come off cleanly from the wall without ruining the paint or ripping the dry wall. Once this coronavirus is over, we can take them down and hopefully we can forget about it. So we have the command tape here. This is the side that will go to the back of the hook, and on the back you can see there's indication that the black printed side goes against the wall. It says right there, wall side. Okay, so here's an example of a hook. You can buy all sorts of different hooks. I'm using something simple that will just hold a mask without any problems. So it's just a plastic base with a little metal hook, and this is what the placement will be. So the red side of the tape will go directly behind the hook, and the black printed side will go against the wall. So let's do this. Let's put our organization into use. So let's take one of the command tapes and rip along the perforations, and there we have one. So we're going to take a hook, and we're going to place the hook in the position it will be on the wall, which is the hook will be facing upwards so we can hang it. And we'll take and peel the back of the command tape like such. And as you notice, there's an arrow that's pointing down. That arrow will be pointing to the bottom of the floor or the ground. Okay, so we're gonna place it like this carefully. There you go. Okay, so here's what the hook will look like once you place on the command tape. You would tug on this tab, pull it straight down once it's stuck on the wall, if you want to ever remove it cleanly without doing damage to your wall. And this is another view of what the back side will look like. Check it out. So let's place this on the wall. Okay, so we're gonna peel off the back stick and place it on the wall at the position we would like. Okay, so there you go. That's our first organization, and I'm gonna run a whole line of these hooks and we'll see what they look like. This is so simple, even my daughter can put this on. There she goes. Okay, there you go, all done. And here is our mask hangers, all together and organized right by the door. So next time we need to go out, we can just grab these. And we decided to add some colors. My kids love doing this project. So this is a nice little project you can do with your kids as well if you have them. And they can decorate it as they want or personalize them. The last one on the right, I lowered it because I have a daughter and she's not quite as tall as everyone else yet. So that's for her. And the command tape will actually allow us to remove it once it grows taller and move it up. So hope that gives you guys an idea of what you can do to organize your mass as we're living in this new norm. Enjoy.